The innovation process can often be cluttered and complicated. The solution? Intuitix, a platform to optimize the innovation process. On login, you're met with a Kanban board, which gives you a clear and concise view on the status of several existing projects going through a linear process. These projects are categorized into different stages, and the details shown in each of these projects include the name, reference, as well as the user assigned to it, thus enabling you to have a clear outlook on both the key details as well as the overall state of each individual project. In this page, you can also utilize the drag and drop functionality to ensure that the process of moving projects between stages is simple, structured, and most importantly, time efficient. On the top left-hand side of the page, we have a button that enables you to add a new project. Here you're able to specify the template that you would like the project to follow, as well as the version that it will be assigned to. The purpose of the template is to ensure that the data collected is consistent and coherent throughout all projects associated to that template, and versions allow you to compare data between different timelines. A blank project will look like so. You can then fill in the name and other available fields. As you can see here, this project is called Future Link, and it has status concept with version December 2020 to 21. A comment section is available to allow the team to discuss certain elements of a project. This facilitates communication by centralizing all relevant information and discussion to one place. We have a folder tree, which enables you to store files for each project. We also have full spreadsheet functionality within every project defined by the template. Next, let's look at how we might be able to edit our template so that we can make additions, deletions, or updates to the fields and the way that it's structured. To do so, we click on the Process Settings icon, which will take us to a table of all templates. Selecting the topmost one will then show us the template builder. Now let's add a new field. Say we wish to record the total cost of each project. Using the right-hand sidebar, we can add a text field and name it Project Cost. Next, we add a unit, a group if necessary, and lastly, we select a size for this component. On click of the Create button, the text field will then automatically appear on the template window. Clicking Publish will ensure that such changes will be applied to all of the projects that are based on this template, whether existing or future. Now going back to the projects board, we can see that the project name Future Link that we have created earlier is under the status concept. Now that we have multiple projects that are continuously receiving new data, this data can be aggregated using the data aggregation feature. Clicking on the left-hand side, we go to the usage summary aggregation. Here we have a table which shows all of the projects under asset management, with their usage recorded over time. However, the total is currently 0. To change this, we click on the edit icon to go to the edit page for this aggregation. On the right-hand side, we can add a formula, table, chart, or create a group. The purpose of this is to allow you to navigate efficiently through the aggregation as each group is added to the top bar. Clicking on the header for the asset management aggregation, we can edit the title, formula, chart data type, and aggregation functions. The changes are then distributed to all of the cells underneath the column header. Once we publish the changes, we can directly access the dashboard view of the data aggregation page. Dashboards are fully customizable by the administrator, and we have alternate configurations available for users with different permissions. Portfolio highlights are visualized along the top. These are defined using the formulas mentioned prior. Below the portfolio highlights, we have a series of charts, which can be interrogated even further to allow for insights which enable users to make more informed decisions on future organizational and operational improvements. We can also either export the entire dashboard as it is, or we can export each individual component. This allows the user to easily report on the most up-to-date state of the metrics provided by the innovation portfolio. Intuitix provides an organized approach for handling the entire innovation process. Why not give Intuitix a try today? Visit our website or contact us for more details.